So Amazon have an amazing affiliate marketing program, guys, that you can join for free. Okay, now in order to join the program, you need to have a social media presence with, I would say, at least 1,000 people, guys. Now, I mean, I know some people get approved with less followers, but if the more followers you have, the better for you, and 1,000 followers is always the great sweet spot. So I would say look at the platforms that you're most active in right now and that you have the most followership, and then you can use that to apply for the Amazon program. Or even better, get a website, guys. If you don't have enough audience on social media, just get a website, because with a website now you're telling Amazon that I am a legitimate business, right? They are going to take you seriously if they can see that you actually have a website where you're going to be promoting those products, right? So it doesn't matter if you have 50 followers on social media. If you have a website, guys, that alone is more powerful and it surpasses any social media platform out here. So if you're really serious about making big money, guys, selling products, doing affiliate marketing, I recommend you get a website.